Deeper, cynical, and just like
deeper,
like lower voice and slower.
angry.
Like more angry. Like
more
I
angry.
need you to get rid of Inspector Ratchet. Something like.
No, it's because you ghetto slapped Inspector.
Gadget.
Why is this hard for me? I keep thinking officer. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Think of Hey Arnold.
I think they were still making sounds when you started.
Hä? Was haben wir für ab? God! Italienischen Handlanger. Yes!
That was great.
Yes!
See,
Was?
you get it.
See, oh.
It's like a beautiful symphony.
Right. Ready when you. 2.
How was that?
Then. Wait. Okay.
I've been inspecting you. Inspector. you. Say it again.
I've been expecting you, Inspector.
Expecting inspector. Fuck that shit. I've been inspecting you. Fuck that.
Expecting you, Inspector.
I've been inspecting you.
Yes.
I've been expecting
Ethan
you,
was saying,
Inspector.
"Oh, yes." Every time he gets it.
Stop.
He gets it. You can go.
Sir?
You can go, sir.
We're gonna get it this time.
3, 2.
No, man.
No homo, but no homo. I say this was by some right when he did that.
Yeah. Action.
What I can and can't do. Go gadget test. I'm looking right at the camera.
Must have on pasta.
Adolf.
Put your hands down because you can't see your
I
mouth.
thought you give me a sign, fuck.
How you knew that?
1.
Man, I had enough of you.
Hayden! That was so good!
Yeah.
Saying it
Who
too
it
loud.
is.
Found out who it is.
Yeah.
That's way easier anyways.
I wanna put my balls on both of you guys' shoulders if you don't stop laughing.
Can or can't do. Go testicular.
Whoa! Go testicular.
Alright.
Time. You can go, sir. I paused. Why? Why? It's easy! Why?
Simple.
Go gadget testicular.
Smash. Hulk smash. Hulk smash.
Yeah. Go. You do this all the time.
Man, I had enough of you. Go gadget go.
Come on, Hayden.
Hayden!
What the hell?
I'm sorry.
Can or can't do. Go gadget testicular smash. Man, I had enough of you. Go gadget testicular.
Plus, Billy John instead of at his testicles.
Yeah.
Go gadget ghetto slam.
Okay.
Enough of you.
Yeah.
Go gadget ghetto slam.
Yeah, man. Yeah, come on, man.
How does that taste?
Go gadget testicular spam. Man, I've had enough of you.
Your voice cracked.
You heard that?
I heard it too.
Because I'm black. Man, I've had enough of. Oh my gosh.
It's cool. It's fine.
Man, I had enough of you.
I was talking.
Okay. Good.
Where's Dr. Hans?
Jake just chilling with his pants off.
I think it's just.
Not going to even look at it.
That's how I was.
Man, I had enough of you. Oh, I did it.